Verda enjoys the longest stretch on the Dubai Marina promenade with its villas, suites and food and beverage outlets. The bathrooms are fitted with a bathtub or shower. All suites have guest toilets. The accommodation offers an outdoor pool, having panoramic views of Dubai Marina. The dining options include Promenade 24-hour all-day dining restaurant, the outdoor heritage cafe and pool lounge. The modern suites and villas include 42-inch flat-screen TVs and large windows. All the suites have balconies with seating to enjoy the views. The property offers free Wi-Fi and free private parking. These are the ratings from some of the most known travel platforms in one place. And TripAdvisor 8 is the average of these rates. TripAdvisor, trips made easy. Reviews you should consider reading. Here are some additional tips.
Don't forget to subscribe, leave comments, and let us know which hotels we should review in future.
Tripeefy, trips made easy.